You ever wonder what does it take to buy an investment property like this, or even how to find something like this as a real estate investor? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So let me take you inside to this house and show you what I do to find, buy, and renovate ugly properties just like this. So as I pull up to properties just like this, I mean, the roof is jacked up. I mean, everything about this house is just super ugly. It's beat up. It has an eviction notice. It was foreclosed on. I mean, everything about this property was terrible. But in all fairness, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Something that was neglected, beat up. And here's the reason why. You can get it so much cheaper than you could if you were to try to buy it brand new or looking good. The uglier it is, the easier it'll be to get that discounted price. I mean, as I'm walking, like I'm seeing the driveway is all messed up. There's tarps all over the roof. Grass is overgrown. Like the shed in the back is clearly hasn't been taken care of. There's no doubt snakes in this grass. Like this is the type of house that when I'm here and I'm looking, I don't look at the ugly. I don't look at the nasty. I don't look at the bad. I'm like, oh my God, this could be a gem. This could be a diamond in the rough like you would not believe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go inside. I'm gonna take a look around, make sure there ain't no one in here, and we're gonna give you a tour and show you what I see. So this is exactly the type of property and house I've been trying to get you guys to buy. And I'm trying to buy something just like this. It's ugly, it's beat up. I'm looking around. There is so much like wood rot everywhere. The floors are partially up. I mean, this is a disaster, but this is exactly what you should buy. Let me tell you something. I have bought in some houses in my day. Some of them have been turnkey, been nice, but there was never any value add. Having a value add property is exactly what you want. I mean, let me show you what I'm looking at. I mean, just look at the kitchen. It's like ugly, jacked up. I mean, everything in this house needs to be gutted and renovated, but this is exactly what you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to walk around. I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to take some notes. I'm going to see exactly what needs to be renovated, get a detailed list. And for you guys, it's only going to be 3 seconds, but I'll catch up with you in a second. All right, you guys. So let me tell you, this property is a gold mine. It's actually not that expensive. It's in a location in my area that is actually perfect for either a rental or if I wanted to sell it. Like for whatever reason, if we got into it, we had too much money in it and we needed to just sell it and still make a good profit, we could. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so today I'm gonna walk you through just one step that I think is super important when you're looking at a property like this that needs to be fully gutted, is the layout of the property, because most people don't talk enough about the layout. How important the layout of a property is crucial to both renters and to selling it. So for example, the layout of this property is actually not bad at all. The kitchen is huge, it's open, it's spacious. Now, some of the ceilings are a little low, but it's not that bad. The islands are actually in a pretty good spot. You know, there's a few things we would probably adjust to make it feel more open, especially when you're talking about in this big old living room. It's good ceiling height. I mean, this house has everything you want. There's a dining room on the other side of the kitchen. There's 3 bedrooms, there's 2 bathrooms. The bathrooms are not small at all. They're actually pretty big. And so with that being said, with the layout, I know that I'm gonna have to fully gut this house. Nothing in this house is gonna really be salvageable. Most of the sheetrock is actually decent. I don't see a ton of mold. So that's great. That's gonna save a lot of money. But this house, basically, it doesn't look like it, but honestly, it's mostly cosmetic. Now it's on the heavier side of the cosmetic job. So it's gonna take some money. It's probably going to cost anywhere from $80,000 to $90,000 to renovate this house fully. But when it's done, because of the location, the neighborhood is great, the schools are great, this house could probably be worth north of $300,000. And at the right price of a purchase, this is a gold mine and a win all day long. So as I'm just getting in my truck, it's super hot, by the way. They said a cold front was coming through, but it's the South. There's no such thing as a cold front, I guess. But as I'm just kind of sitting here looking at this house, I see the trees are overgrown, grass is all crazy, concrete driveway is jacked up. This house is perfect. Every single house around it has a nice trimmed yard, well-maintained home. I mean, some of the homes they're older, but they're well-maintained. The location is good. These are the types of houses that you look for. Now, look, I've been looking for a house to get my hands on for about 5 or 6 months now, where I've been actively, like, seriously searching. I've taken you guys on a journey with me. Let's see if this house actually turns into something. I'm gonna head back home. I'm gonna run some numbers, and hopefully in the next video, I will have some good news for you guys. So stick around to watch that. I really appreciate everyone who watches, who subscribes, who comments. It really means a lot to me. So let's continue on this journey, and I'll see you in the next one.